Council of Agriculture Research will begin the ICAR 2021 counseling registration and choice filling process soon after the results release. And all the candidates need to necessarily participate in the online ICAR counseling process if you want a seat in agriculture courses. The ICAR Council will start the ICAR 2021 counseling registration process after the entrance test result and the seat availability in the different participating universities and the programs offered will be shown to the candidate in the ICAR counseling registration process. And it is mandatory for all the candidates to register themselves for the online counseling as there is no direct admission after the entrance examination. Along with this, choice filling of ICAR will also begin with the online counseling registration. And after completing the registration process for counseling, candidate will get a whole lot of options to choose the programs and institute for ICAR. Counseling for ICAR is a gateway for admission to the 15% seats in the participating agriculture institute all over India. So in this video, we are going to discuss about the counseling process, choice filling, and the document verification process of Indian Council of Agriculture Research. ICAR seat allotment. So there will be a total of 3 ICAR seat allotment to allocate seats in various participating institutes. That is, ICAR contains first, second and third seat allotment and will be released based on the choices filled by the candidates. And the candidates who are allocated a seat through ICAR seat allotment have to upload some of the documents and have to complete the document verification within the scheduled time. After the third round, a mop-up round of counseling is also will be held by the council in order to fill up the vacancies in some case. For participating in online counseling, candidates have to get registered by paying a sufficient amount through online payment by using credit, debit card on by net banking. And when comes about the fee structure, it will be notified by ICAR itself later on. Candidate must select the course and the university one by one in combination, and there is a provision to add, modify and delete choices during the scheduled time itself. And after the completion of choice selection, candidate have to save the choices. The candidate get informed through email about the university and course allotted. Candidate then will download the professional allotment letter in PDF format from the portal. When comes to ICAR reservation criteria, for SC category, they have 15% of reservation. For ST category, they have 7.5% of reservation. For PWD students, they have 3% of reservation for ICAR. Now let's discuss about what are the documents required for ICAR counseling. All candidates have to upload the following documents after the allotment. So the first document we need is the proof of date of birth. That is, you have to bring your birth certificate to proving the date of birth. The next one is class 10 mark sheet or certificate. Then next one is class 12th mark sheet and certificate. The next is you have to bring your ICAR 2021 admit card along with this. Then it is transfer certificate. You have to bring the transfer certificate where you studied last. And the next one is confirmation page of online application. That is, after done with the online submission of ICAR application form, we will get an confirmation page. So print it out and bring it along with these certificates. The next is a counseling letter. It will be get you at the time of counseling itself. The next is allotment letter. The allotment letter means when you get an admission to any colleges, you will be provided with an allotment letter. Download it and bring it with these certificates. The next one is passport size photographs. Bring at least 5 to 6 passport size color photographs. Then bring the contact certificate from the institute you have last studied and medical certificate for PWD candidates. That is, if you are a person belonging to disability, you have to bring the medical certificate. In case if you are a candidate from SC, ST and non-creamy layer of OBC category, you have to provide the category certificate provided by the government authority. Along with this, bring any government authorized identity proof like Aadhaar card, passport, ration card or bank passbook like ID proofs. And I have already mentioned, bring a clear passport size color photograph, and you have to bring the same photograph as you uploaded at the time of registration itself. So these are the documents we needed, that is all the certificate in class 10 and class 12. Your transfer certificate, contact certificate. If you are candidate from SC, ST or non-creamy layer of OBC, bring your category certificate, medical certificate for physically challenged candidate, and also bring a hard copy of online application form, counseling letter, professional allotment letter issued by ICAR to the qualified candidates, and also bring the clear passport size photograph and also an government identity proof like Aadhaar card, passport, etc. So these are the documents we needed. Now let's look at the seat metrics of ICAR. As we already said, only 15% of seats in agriculture university are filled through ICAR 2021 examination. And there are total of 1021 seats are available for agriculture, 211 seats for horticulture. There are 55 seats in forestry, 83 in fisheries, 104 seats in home science, 7 seats in sericulture, 177 seats in agriculture engineering, and 72 seats in dairy technology. And there are also 29 seats are available for food technology and 40 seats are available for biotechnology too. These are the seats provided by ICAR UG 2021. More information related to ICAR UG 2021 will coming on the way. Till then, please do like, share and subscribe.